kayo makasama nito? Lasing ba ito? Baka... Hi! Welcome to the outside world! Hi! Masarap matulog dito, aircon. Wala aircon sa
Baka
inyo.
magmumula na lang.
Nakatulog siya sa concert? Nakakaloka ka? Welcome back to the afterlife. Pasensya ka na, nakakaabala kami. Matulog ka lang ang ingay mo kasi nagising tuloy. Ano pangalan mo? Maki. Nakadrugs ka ba? Parang dito ka inabutan ng crashing. Okay ka lang? Okay. Are you sure you're okay? 2 ships? 2 barko? 2 ships? Not night shift. What do you do? A nurse. Pero sa kalagay mo, nakapasyote ka ngayon. Well, I feel you because my mom used to be a caregiver. You know, she barely gets to sleep because she was taking care of a lot of people. And I know that you took care of your patients earlier and you're tired. But even you're tired, despite the fact that you're tired, you still showed up here to support us. Thank you very much. We appreciate your presence. Yeah. I know that you're very tired and you're trying your very best to enjoy, but you're sleepy. It's okay. I empathize with you. Yeah. You want to rest now? Not yet. Not right now. Okay. God bless you. May you survive all the challenges in life. May God bless you in your job and your patience. Ilang oras pa trabaho mo? 16. 16? In fairness, ha? Pero fresh ka pa din. Nurse ka din, ate?
Yes.
Ilang oras sa trabaho mo?
8.
Mas konti pero mas fresh siya sa'yo. 8 ka lang, haggard ka. Ito, 16 fresh. Ano? Aling ka, Victoria. Victoria Court, nag-check-in ka pa? Nag-model ka bago pumunta rito?
Naka-Victoria.
Malayo yun.
1 ferry.
1 ferry. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, I love you. Ikaw, I want you to sing for me. Okay, just sing. Ay, 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 ay. Okay? What's your name?
Joy.
Joy, taray. Joy. Isang patak. Pwede sa pepe, isang katuta. Taray ng braces. Fully paid na yun. Ganda kasi ng ngiti niya. Pag fully paid, maganda na yung ngiti. Pag di pang fully paid, nahihiya ng photo. Pero okay, just sing. Ay, 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 ay. Yun lang talaga ang gagawin ko dito. Gusto niyo ba kumanta ako? Sexy ko tonight, di ba?